Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude with Ankon AI using the Model Context Protocol, also known as MCP. We'll explore two authentication methods. First, we'll connect using OAuth with Claude Desktop or Claude.ai without creating an API key. Then, we'll connect using Claude Code from the terminal using an API key. Finally, we'll generate two complete AI-powered whiteboard videos so you can see both workflows in action. Let's get started. First, open the Ankon AI documentation and navigate to the MCP section. The easiest method is OAuth authentication. Copy the MCP server URL. Now open Claude Desktop or Claude.ai. Go to Settings, open Connectors, click Add Custom Connector. Give your connector a name. I'll name mine Ankon AI. Paste the MCP server URL that we copied from the documentation. For the client ID, enter Ankon AI-Claude-Code. Leave the client secret empty. Now click Connect. Claude will now open your browser and redirect you to the Ankon AI authorization page. Since we're using OAuth, there's no need to create or paste an API key. Simply sign in to your Ankon AI account. After signing in, click Authorize. Now let's generate our first whiteboard video. I'll ask Claude, create a 2-minute whiteboard video titled The Rise of Agentic AI. If Claude asks for more details, I'll provide a few additional instructions. Create the video in landscape orientation. Enable captions. Use a professional educational style. Generate high-quality illustrations. Keep the tone informative and engaging. Claude has submitted the request to Ankon AI. The platform is now generating the complete whiteboard video. Perfect. Our first whiteboard video has been successfully generated.
You hand your phone to a friend and say, "Sort out my trip to Chicago." They don't ask you what to do first. They just start checking flights, picking a hotel, blocking your calendar, sending the confirmation. That's the job done. No hand-holding required. That's exactly what agentic AI is, and it's a genuinely different kind of technology from anything most people have used before. Regular AI tools work like a vending machine. You press a button, you get one thing back, you ask a question, it answers, and then it stops. Every single step, you have to push it forward.
Claude returns a direct link to the completed video. You can open it immediately, or simply return to your Ankon AI dashboard. Inside the dashboard, the new video is already available. You can see the generated thumbnail, the duration. Opening the project reveals everything generated automatically. The complete script, captions in SRT format, metadata, and all of the assets used to create the video. Everything is ready to review, edit, or share. Now let's look at the second authentication method. This one is ideal for developers using Claude Code from the terminal. Go back to your Ankon AI dashboard, navigate to API keys, click Create Key, give your key a name, and create it. We'll use it in the next step. Run the Claude MCP command from the documentation. Replace the placeholder with your own API key. Execute the command. Claude Code will automatically register the Ankon AI MCP server. Now let's generate another example. I'll ask Claude, create a 2-minute whiteboard video titled How Quantum Computing Will Change Cybersecurity. Apply Enhanced Mode. Claude submits the request to Ankon AI. Once again, the platform generates the complete whiteboard video automatically. This usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. We'll wait for the rendering to finish. And there it is. OAuth is the simplest option for Claude Desktop and Claude.ai. If you'd like to try it yourself, visit ankonai.com. You'll find the documentation, GitHub examples, API reference, and everything you need to get started.
Every password you've ever typed, every bank transfer, every private message, all of it could soon be crackable. Here's why and what's actually being done about it. Right now, encryption works like a padlock with a billion possible combinations. A regular computer tries one combination at a time. Even running flat out, it would need millions of years to crack it. That's what keeps your data safe. The math is just too hard, too slow to brute force. Quantum computers work completely differently. They use things called qubits, tiny particles that can be both 0 and...
Please like the video and subscribe for more AI and developer content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.